What's up? How are we doing? It is the next day after I installed the lower control arms. Last night I ended up driving about 30-40 minutes to go visit a friend who's in town from out of state, but I decided to do that since I got done at a reasonable hour with the control arms. Also to double as a test. It's a big enough test drive for the new control arms. Now, when I got home last night from the shop, well, I was having a lot of vibrations and vibration noises, and I took a look at the front axle and realized that the pinion angle was so far off. Since we installed some lower control arms that were way longer than the ones that I had on, and I didn't touch the upper control arms, so it tilted the axle backwards a little bit too far. So it was just creating some drive shaft vibrations. So I got home, I took out the front drive shaft. I actually have it sitting right behind me right now, but yeah, then I drove it around the block and it was super smooth. So I drove about 30-40 minutes north of where I live to go visit my friend last night. Pretty smooth drive, even though the upper arms are short right now. Short for the new lower arms that are in. It's noticeably smoother, the ride. So the next thing to do here now is spend a day taking the upper control arms out and lengthening them maybe an inch or so. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going, what, about 65 miles an hour right now? And it feels a bit smoother going over some of the bumps in the highways. So I'm pretty excited to see how it turns out after I lengthen the upper control arms. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update, so I'll give you guys an update later at some point, whenever I get to fixing the upper arms. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned.